Welcome to Gadget Hub. Have you ever found yourself in the kitchen, struggling with a messy cooking mishap or feeling overwhelmed by all the clutter and chaos? Well, fear not, because today we're here to rescue you from kitchen disasters and simplify your culinary experience. Get ready to discover the best kitchen essentials for baking beginners, all under $20. Yes, you heard that right. Affordable tools that will revolutionize your cooking and cleaning routine. Let's dive in and see how these simple items can transform your kitchen into a baking paradise. Number 1. At just $14.99. The Bundle Pro spatulas are a sturdy kitchen investment. With their well-crafted design paired with high-quality food-grade silicone, these tools ensure both safety and durability. The non-stick surface makes cleaning a breeze and adds joy to cooking without scratches or nicks on your favorite pans. The substantial weight and length provide an impressive balance that's comfortable even during intensive flipping sessions. Ideal for cooks wary of toxic materials. These BPA-free spatulas are a serious upgrade from plastic. However, a few caveats exist. They may be slightly thicker than your usual kitchen gadget, potentially making the delicate craft of flipping eggs more of an art than a science. Also, the occasional slipping of the silicone handle post-washing might require a bit of patience. Overall, if you are passionate about a scratch-free cookware and can manage a bit of thick-handled dexterity, these spatulas are your trusty sidekicks in flipping, serving, and frying up magic. A perfect choice for health-conscious chefs who prioritize quality and comfort. Number 2. Magnetic Measuring Spoons Set. For just $9.99. These spoons are essential kitchen tools that promise precision and convenience. Made from durable, stainless steel, they resist rusting and bending, essential for those who love both baking and cooking. They also boast a magnetic feature, allowing for seamless storage and organization, easily sticking to metallic surfaces like your fridge. With a dual-sided design, these spoons offer versatility, fitting into spice jars with their narrow oval ends, while accommodating liquids with their round ends. One of the unique features includes uncommon sizes, like 1/8 teaspoon and 3/4 teaspoon, ensuring precision in any recipe. We cannot forget the leveler, perfect for achieving precise measurements. While some may worry about the magnets coming apart over time, this minor inconvenience pales in comparison to their overall utility. If you are tight on space, keep in mind that these spoons might be a bit large for some drawers. However, their easy nesting design could mitigate this issue. In summary, I recommend these measuring spoons for culinary enthusiasts who value precision and effortless organization in their kitchens. Whether you are a committed baker or a casual cook, these spoons offer a blend of functionality and durability that's hard to beat. Number 3. Metal 2-in-1 Lemon Squeezer. This unassuming kitchen tool for just $14.99 is a game changer. Its sturdy, food-grade coated aluminum construction ensures it stands up to frequent use, extracting juice efficiently from both lemons and limes. The ergonomic handle design means even a child can use it with ease. Plus, the built-in seed filter saves you the trouble of fishing out seeds from your fresh juice. Cleaning is a breeze, as it's dishwasher safe, or can be quickly rinsed by hand. However, I should mention a few minor drawbacks. The green paint tends to chip, and it struggles with larger fruits, occasionally leaving juice behind. Juice may occasionally spray out the sides, and the handles might get a bit slippery when wet, which could pose a challenge for those with wrist issues. Nonetheless, if you are looking for a practical, easy-to-use juicer that's budget-friendly and efficient for standard-sized lemons and limes, this tool is perfect. It's ideal for anyone needing a reliable no-fuss juicer for quick tasks in the kitchen. Number 4. If you're looking for a kitchen cleaning powerhouse, these microfiber cleaning cloths are your best friend. Each 12.5 by 12.5 inch towel is designed with a grip root weave, trapping dirt and liquid with ease. The ultra-absorbent material impresses with being 4 times more effective than cotton, perfect for spills and splashes in the kitchen. These cloths are ideal for stainless steel surfaces, leaving no scratches or swirls on your appliances or consoles. The gray color bamy hides dirt, making them kitchen ready for longer periods. On the durability front, overlock braided stitching ensures they withstand over 1,200 washes, offering lasting value for your money. However, note that some may find the size a bit compact compared to standard towels, and there can be occasional color bleeding. Considering their numerous perks, I recommend these cloths for meticulous home cooks or anyone looking to maintain a sparkling kitchen. Number 5. Celadon Sponge. Ever been frustrated with dishwashing? Let's bring some excitement with the Celadon Sponge. At only $7.99, these little gems are a hygienic upgrade from traditional sponges, perfect for every kitchen. made from bacteria-resistant silicone. They keep your dish cleaning process fresh and odor-free, even after extensive use. The soft bristles are gentle on your precious dishes. No more worrying about scratches on your non-stick cookware. Flexibility is key, and these sponges are easy to hold, bending effortlessly to tackle different surfaces, making them versatile for multiple purposes, like wiping counters or cleaning spills. Plus, they dry quickly and are safe in the dishwasher, streamlining your cleaning routine. However, they tend to be slippery when wet and may require a bit more soap to combat stubborn grease. When it comes to general kitchen use, I recommend these sponges for anyone looking for an eco-friendly and effective tool. They're ideal in environments where hygiene is paramount and in homes that embrace multi-purpose items. Number 6. Arm & Hammer Baking Soda. Have you ever faced a kitchen disaster needing a quick fix? This humble box can save the day. At just $17 for a dozen, these kitchen safers punch above their weight. Arm & Hammer Baking Soda isn't just for baking cakes. It's a must-have for multitaskers. From scrubbing pots to banishing odors, it's like the Swiss Army knife of household products. Effective on everything, from laundry stains to pool algae, your all-purpose problem solver. And with a trusted brand name behind it, what more assurance do you need? Perhaps just a caution. Some boxes experience travel woes, arriving open or clumpy. You might want to double-check packaging upon arrival. But minor hiccups aside, I believe every kitchen deserves a batch of this versatile powerhouse. Great for families needing an affordable all-rounder or anyone wanting an eco-friendly cleaner. Get ready to transform your kitchen routine. Number 7. Freshware Food Storage Containers. It's no secret that keeping a tidy kitchen can be tough. If you've ever dealt with container avalanches, Freshware's 50 sets 16 ounces plastic deli containers might just be your new best friends. Firstly, these containers are BPA-free and come with airtight, leak-proof lids. That means no more messy spills when grabbing lunch from the fridge. They're stackable, so organizing your kitchen becomes a breeze. Think of all the space you can save for more exciting kitchen gadgets. Their durability is impressive, surviving both the microwave and the freezer, making them ideal for soup or even meal prepping for the week. Perfectly portioned for 16 ounces, servings, or at least close enough. Let's not get too perfectionist here. While some might grumble about the lids occasionally, not fitting quite right, or the plastic feeling a tad thin, think of these as takeout containers but slightly more durable. These minor issues aside, the value for money, kitchen space, savers, and sheer versatility make them hard to overlook. A smart pick for meal preppers, fitness enthusiasts, and those who love a systematically organized kitchen. Next time you open that kitchen cabinet, imagine neat stacks, sealed freshness, and of course, culinary bliss. Number 8. Meet Mistozer's Magnetic Spice Rack Game Changer for your cooking and clutter issues. With each rack holding up to 12 spice jars, say goodbye to countertop chaos and hello to easy access. I love how the black finish complements most kitchen appliances, making it a seamless addition. Installation is a breeze. Just slap it onto the fridge door, no tools required. The plastic build may disappoint those seeking metal racks, but the robust magnets ensure a secure fit for most users. However, beware if your fridge's surface isn't totally flat. The grip might slip a bit. Compact, affordable, and highly functional. This rack is perfect for city dwellers or anyone short on space. Level up your spice game without breaking the bank. Number 9. Layencia 3. Tier Kitchen Storage Cart. You know those times when you are elbow deep in a recipe and can't find that one elusive spice? Introducing the Layencia 3. Tier Kitchen Storage Cart, the ultimate in budget-friendly kitchen organization for only $19.19. This cart is light in weight, tipping the scales at just 3.39 pounds, but don't underestimate its functionality. Designed to glide smoothly with its 4 rotating wheels, you can lock 2 for stability, making it a breeze to move from pantry to stove without a hitch. It's crafted from durable plastic and includes classified stickers for neat storage, perfect for light items like cooking oils, spices, or even utensils. Its practical size fits perfectly into those awkward kitchen corners, measuring 11.8 inches deep, 16.5 inches wide, and 4.7 inches high. The design is not just functional, but aesthetically pleasing in a sleek, black finish. Assembling it is a no-brainer, requiring no tools and taking just 10 minutes of your time. However, it's worth noting. Avoid overloading it with heavy-duty items to maintain its stability and longevity. A small downside includes wheels that might not fare well on carpet and occasional reports of shipping issues. Overall, the Layencia cart is a fantastic choice for small space dwellers or those wanting a little extra organization without breaking the bank. It shines best in kitchens, where space is premium and mobility is key, ideal for apartment kitchens or dorm room setups seeking simplicity and style. And there you have it, folks. The ultimate guide to essential kitchen tools under $20 that will make baking and cooking a breeze. From silicone spatulas to measuring spoons, from cleaning cloths to storage containers, these budget-friendly items will elevate your kitchen game and empower you to create delicious treats with ease. So what are you waiting for? Start stocking your kitchen with these must-have essentials today and watch as your culinary skills reach new heights. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more gadget goodness. Happy baking!